Hello guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Paul and this is the channel Carful. This is the Corvette of my son, and in this one we are going to work on. There's a new distributor and new spark plugs, new cables, and how we are going to set it up. That is going to be a new video after this one, so stay tuned for that. But in this video we are going to show you the arrival of a new car for the channel, a Corvette C4 of my son, and the delivery of that Corvette. Stay tuned. And here we are, a few weeks ago, after a 2 hours drive, to meet these very kind people who were selling their Corvette C4. And of course we went there to look at the vehicle and to see the state of it. And my son signed some papers, and so he was planning to buy that car. We made some arrangements and appointments so that we were able to get to fetch the car a week later, and my son did that with a friend of ours that we know from the Corvette Club. A huge shout out to Jan for a swift and kind service. Thank you, Jan. And of course, we were there when the car arrived at my son's place. And of course, it was cold and it was raining to make it a little bit more fun. And here is my son and my grandson who went along with him. My son immediately went into the car to try to start it because he was worried about the battery, because the interior lights had stayed on during the whole 2 hours of the ride.
Kijk de papa.
Allemaal goed?
Ja, bijna hè. Moet er wat gaan halen.
Er zit nog geen haar veranderd.
Nee.
Kijk.
Zoals u weten waarom. Ja. Anders kent hij van ons nog niet meer.
Watch this scene, guys. Just at the moment when Jan, his head is near the exhaust, my son started the car, and of course that was a surprise.
Oh, hij start al, hij is wel happy.
Ja. Waarom start hem die nu eigenlijk?
De lampjes zijn blijven eraan.
Ah ja, voor de batterij.
Ik ben bang dat je niet gestart krijgt.
Ja.
Dat je niet gestart zou krijgen. En,
Ja.
hij is hevig, hij wil er vanaf. Ja, geef mij gas, dat doet de Night Rider toch ook?
Ja, ja.
Geef mij gas, dat doet de Night Rider toch ook? Nee, maar die rijdt er dan maar af, hè? Die rijdt toch uit die cabriolet af?
This is on the circuit of Zolder. It runs in the family. My grandson was today participating in a race on the circuit of Zolder, and these are some pictures on the circuit with his sister, with his mother, and my daughter also, and my son-in-law. So this is again a wrap for this short video, guys. About this one, there are going to be a lot more videos in the coming weeks, and also about the new C4. So hope to see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching, and have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.